Well, look, the media has made a lot of this being faith being put in trial, and this is not the case. There's a case about a man who walked into a shop 2 years ago and didn't get the service that he would expect. And I don't want Northern Ireland to be a lottery where when we go into a shop or ask for a service that we have to second guess the conscience or the value base of the service provider. I think it's important also to mention this was not just about sexual orientation. This was actually about political and religious opinion, and it strikes at the heart of what I believe to be the common good. Now, we had a very good judgment a year ago in the county court, and I hope that we have in the appeal this week as well that judgment's upheld, because if it's not upheld we're back into a lottery again.
How significant is this case?
It's extremely significant. I mean, equality law is hard fought here. I remember the day when women had to give their jobs up when they got married. I remember the day when people of different races and disabilities had to fight to get equality. Equality comes long, and if we're now in a situation where the equality laws that support this good society are actually going to be challenged in a way that conscience dictates what people can be served, I think we're in a bad place. So I'm looking forward to a very good judgment today, and I hope the County Court appeal, the County Court judgment will be upheld.
The Attorney General's involved now, so what would you make of that?
Well, it was a very late intervention, and we remain to see what it is the case he's going to make. It's increased the costs, and it's also added a couple of months. And Gareth's at the centre of this. I know there's another family as well, but Gareth's almost the innocent victim in all of this, because he's been forgotten. And he's also had an extra couple of weeks put onto his life, which he could have done without. So I do hope at the end of this week that we're looking forward to an upheld judgment.
How difficult has it been for Gareth?
Well, we've actually not put Gareth centre stage, and I think it's right that he reserves his right to speak afterwards. It hasn't been easy, because it's back to the situation where I have never been in a position where I've walked into a shop not expecting to be served. I don't know if any of you have, and I'm not sure that's somewhere where you want. That's where Gareth's been, and I hope that after this week he can walk into a shop and expect to be served just like everybody else.
What is the cost currently?
We spent, the cost of the appeal to date for us is £55,000. I don't know, I've never heard from the Christian Institute, and maybe want to ask them that one. So £55,000, and the reason that it's gone up is because also the Attorney General, and we've now 4 days.
Is it money well spent?
Absolutely money well spent. I mean, we wouldn't be here if this wasn't an important case. And it has to be reminded, we supported Gareth, who was refused the service. This isn't some test case, it actually confirmed the law.
Do you think this will be finished this week, or will it go on further?
Well, my hope is that it may not be a decision this week. It's a complicated case. It may go somewhere else after this. But we hope that this is the last, and we hope it will be a positive decision.
If you win the appeal, what message will be sent out?
Well, the message is sent out that it's not a lottery.
What message will be sent out to you?
Well, the message that will be sent out is that you can go into a shop or ask for a service, and your political, religious opinion, sexual orientation, race, disability doesn't matter. We should be all treated equally. That's what I see to be the signs of a mature society. Thank you very much indeed.